Hi guys, good afternoon. For today's video, ayan, my 10 pots of new propagated Friends of Orange tricolor. Ayan guys, 10 pots po yan, ordered by my Suki na garden. Ayan, 10 pots po yan, ang lalaki ng ating mga... Ayan guys, yan po yung mga new cuts ng ating Philodendron tricolor Friends of Orange. New pot po yan lahat from their mother. Top cut po yan lahat from their mothers. Ayan, mga top cut po yan ng mga mother ng aking Friends of Orange tricolor. Look at guys, ang lalaki na nila. By the way, I took care of them for almost 2 years and half. Yan, yung mga kalakihan ng ating leaves na ganyan, 2 years and half na po iyan, kasama na yung mother nila. So, after 2 years and half, kinakat natin yan, kinatapat natin yan para yung mother ay magbibigay ulit ng mga bagong mga babies. At yung mga babies, pag maramihan sa isang mother, yun ay ihiwalay natin kapag may roots na. Yan guys, thank you for watching. Bye!